This video is for roles and permission feature on ASTPP. ASTPP is having features to control resellers and admin access for core modules using roles and permission. User can create multiple roles with different permissions and control their resellers and like resellers or sub-admins access. Also, it allows you to create new roles with different permissions and assign those new roles with respective permission to user, that means to the admin and reseller. We can have the option from here from accounts from roles and permissions. By clicking on create, we can create the roles and permission for uh, type like admin and reseller. So this is the admin account of ASTPP, that means this is the super admin account. So under my account I can create admin account, that means sub admin and reseller account. So first let me show how I can create the roles and permission for admin, that means for my sub admin. First we need to give one name, role name, then the description, and then type we need to select. So for now I am creating for sub admin, so I have selected here admin. So then we have all the tabs available here, that means all the tabs here, whatever the access we want to give, I want to give to my sub admin, I can select here. Suppose I just want to give accounts and customers only and nothing else, or maybe some other option like carriers, gateway and trunks. So these three options I means from accounts only one option, from carriers, gateway and trunks I have allowed here for this role. Let me save this role. So now I will going to create the admin account, or maybe whatever the admin, whatever the sub admin I will have in my account, I can assign that role from here. So once I assign this role to my sub admin, so according to that role the sub admin will have this much access whatever we have selected while created the roles and permission. I will show you by login into my sub admin account right now. Now I am logging as a sub admin account. I have created the role with only one option from accounts and carriers. There were two options selected by me, that was gateways and trunks. So for this subadmin I have allowed these three options only. So this is how we can create the roles and permissions, we can manage the access for our subadmin. Same way, when we create any new sub admin under our super admin account, we need to assign the role whatever we want to give him access. We have to accordingly select that role and we can create the admin account. And as I already shown, for existing account also we can manage it from role section. Means if we had assigned some different role and now we want to assign some different role, then we can make edit from the admin account from the edit section. So now let's see for our reseller account. Same way we have to create one roles and permission. If we want to create these roles and permission for reseller account, then we need to click here the type reseller. Then we need to select the option whatever we want to give the access to that reseller. So we can click on plus symbol also according to the options, and if we don't want to allow some options from here, that too we can untick also. So accordingly we can manage. So suppose I am now allowing this role for only for customers, resellers and ship device, and let me save. So now same way, from the reseller account, if we want to change any uh, role from existing reseller account that we can do from reseller edit from here, from role. Otherwise, whenever we will create new account for reseller, and if we want that roles and permission to be applied, then while creating reseller, suppose it is for test reseller, then giving one email ID here which should be always unique, and here the current created roles and permission I have selected, and I have make the account by clicking on save. If I go into this reseller account, I can have these two options only. The configuration, by default he will get the option, but whatever selected option we have created on our roles for his access, so these are the two options. So this is how we can manage and control our sub admin and reseller account access as a super admin by using roles and permission feature on ASTPP.